DIY basket with a paper bag. In this video, I'll be using a Target paper bag, a pencil, a glue stick, scissors, and a ruler. First, cut the front and back of the paper bag. Gently tear off the strip with the handles attached. Once the strip with the handles is removed, make 1-inch marks on the paper bag in its upright position to create 1-inch lines. You will need a total of 16 1-inch strips for this basket. Start with 8 strips to form the base of the basket. Place the strips like so. Now weave the remaining 2 strips under and over like so. Pull in the strips closer together. Make sure all ends are equally spaced. Take your glue stick and begin by securing these 4 corners. After the 4 corners are glued, then glue these additional 4 spots. Take 2 strips. Glue them together to create a longer strip. Make 4 1/8 inch marks. Basically 2 lines after the 4 on the ruler. When you make the mark, you can just bend the strip like so and make a total of 4 marks on the strip. The goal is to create a square shape that will be used to create the body of your basket. You will need to make 4 of these. Fold up the sides of your base. You can use a ruler if you'd like. Now with one of the squares, start with one side of your base and weave in every other strip into the square. With the next square, place it into the center of the basket and then begin to weave the other strips into that square. Continue this until all 4 squares are used, where it will look like this. Glue down the tips of the strips to further secure the basket on all 4 sides. Now take the handles to glue onto the inside of your basket. And there you have your basket made with a paper bag. Let me know in the comments below if it worked for you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.